Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene and this is Miss Tully Kitchen, and today we have a new recipe kama kawaida. Today I'll be showing you a very simple recipe, guys. I'm going to show you how to make vanilla yogurt at home, the simplest way, guys, the simplest way you have not yet seen. And so come, let me show you the ingredients for making your vanilla yogurt at home the simplest way. So the ingredients for making your vanilla yogurt recipe is you're going to need fresh milk. It's advised that if you can get the fresh milk from the cow, direct from the cow, you use that one. But because where we are, we do not have, we're going to be using these 3 pieces of KCC Gold Crown fresh milk. I'm also going to need this is Daima plain yogurt. You can use any brand of your choice, but let the yogurt be plain. You're also going to need we're also going to need strawberry essence. So I guess this is what we have in my kitchen, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to be making strawberry yogurt at home. We're also going to need I'm going to add some pink color to make our yogurt more appealing. You can do plain without adding any color. I'm also going to add some sugar. If you do not take sugar, guys, you can replace this with natural honey. Make sure it's very natural. And then I'm going to need these containers where I'm going to pack our yogurt after I've already made it. And so let's go start the process. So in my sufuria, I'm going to pour my 3 packets of fresh milk. And then I'm going to light up my gas to let my milk boil. So guys, our milk is already boiled, as you can see, and so we are going to put off our gas, and then we are going to let our milk cool down a little bit, and then we'll come back to do the next step. So in this big basin, I'm going to pour some cold water like that. Then we're going to insert our already boiled milk inside here. So I'm then going to bring this boil inside my big basin, and then I'm going to pour my boiled milk inside this red boil. You're going to pour all of it. Be careful, guys. Make sure that you don't burn yourself with the milk. So yeah, the reason why I put my red boil inside the boil with the bigger basin is because I want to speed up my cooling down my milk so that you can do the next step. So if you're not in a hurry like myself, you can let it boil without putting it inside the water. Yeah. So far, I'm going to keep on stirring my milk like that. The reason is because I don't want the cream to form, because when it forms, it will force me to sieve the milk, and I don't want to sieve anything. So I'm going to stir it like that so that it doesn't form that creamish thing. Yeah. Firm our milk is well cooled down such that when you insert your finger, it is not going to burn you, but you're going to feel some warmth, and so it's very ready. So we are going to get it out of this water and place it up here. In the meantime, we are going to prepare our yogurt, our natural yogurt. So we're going to cut it like that, and then we are going to scoop like 2 tablespoonful of natural yogurt. So I'm going to scoop it like that, put it in this small bowl like that. So let's add 3. You can add as much as you want, but 2 is very much enough. Then you're going to also add a little bit of some milk, and then we are going to stir this one over here until it's very much like mixed thoroughly, until it's smooth enough. Our milk is well cleaned, and so we are going to take it to where we are going to leave it overnight. So in our microwave is where we are going to put our milk to stay there for overnight, and we are not going to put it on, we are just going to insert it inside for the warmth, and then we leave it there overnight. So let's put it inside here. I'm also going to add my kitchen towel to make it more warm. So I'm going to cover it again with my kitchen towel like that, because we want it to have the more warmth there, so that you can So guys, it's the next morning, and we are going to see how our yogurt has done, or what happened. So you're going to open it over here, and then we're going to take it out. Let's go to the other side, guys, and see what happened. So guys, this is our yogurt. Look at how creamy it is. Oh my goodness. So you're going to stir it up. So you're going to put our sugar first. I'm going to put 2 cups of sugar. And then I'm going to stir it up until the sugar completely dissolves. To take some of my yogurt into this small bowl. Then I'm going to add the color here. To add a little bit of this color, like this much. Then I'm going to stir again to get the color of my choice. So from 1.5 liters of fresh milk gave me 6 250 ml cups of yogurt, as you can see, and we use strawberry flavor. So this means our yogurt is strawberry yogurt made at home. Guys, we are going to put this on our fridge, and then we are going to let them sit there for like 30 minutes so that they thicken up more. Yeah, and we are going to enjoy it It's so sweet, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for coming into my kitchen. You know, it is always a pleasure having you in my kitchen, guys. So if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. You can also put on the notification bell for future videos, and please remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much to my subscribers, guys. We are road to 1,000 subscribers. Please keep on subscribing. Thank you so much, guys, and let me see you on my next video. Bye bye, guys. I love you guys. Mwah.